Thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video. Like us, share, subscribe to us on Facebook and social media. It's Father's Day and we're here at the 50th anniversary of the Classic Car Club of America. We're here at Oakbrook with Dave. Dave, you have an amazing car. Can you tell us about it?
Absolutely, absolutely. This is a 1931 Packard. It is a deluxe model. It's the top of the line for 31, straight 8 engine. It has a interesting body. They made about 100 of these bodies. It's called a dual cowl phaeton. And what that means is the back seat has its own cowl and windshield, which is a very sporty design. The issue with this, though, to get in and out takes a little bit of effort because you fold the windshield, you flip this up to get out, so it takes a little while to get in and out of the car. It was produced actually in late 1930. But as a 31 model year. I've had it since about 2012. Originally it was owned by a vice president of the Seattle National Bank. That's where it originally was shipped and owned. We did show it at Pebble Beach in I think 2013. And with all our cars we enjoy driving the cars. And occasionally we put them in a show.
This is beautiful. This is a wonderful car. So I see the tires are quite unique and the front of the car is just an amazing piece of art. Can you tell us about the headlights and this unique grille?
Absolutely, absolutely. So a couple of things. There are actually 3 sets of lights facing forward. The parking lights are on the fenders. The regular driving headlights are here. And then it has dual pilot rays, which are lights that turn with the wheels, so that when you're going around a corner, those lights will pivot from side to side. It was a relatively common accessory back at the time. And it has a stone guard covering the radiator. My wife says it gives the car a lot of bling.
It certainly does, and it looks like at some point there might have been a manual crankshaft.
You can crank start the car, though on this one I've never tried it. But yes, you could hand crank it. Although obviously it has electric start.
Wonderful. And what about this emblem we've got?
That's the Goddess of Speed radiator cap. There were I think 3 different versions that you could order, and this happens to be the Goddess of Speed. I think it's appropriate for the car. Very
Absolutely. Very nice. What about the interior? Can you show us a little bit of the interior?
Sure, absolutely. It's pretty standard for the Packard. The simulated dash, the wood in the doors, leather upholstery, and it is pretty much a 4-passenger car. 2 in the front, and really only about 2 people in the back seat.
Dave, are you okay with me taking a seat in your car?
Absolutely. Help yourself.
Thank you. You're too kind. What a treat. How many miles are on the car?
Not many, since that speedometer was rebuilt. I don't know how many miles are on the car since it was new. But when it was restored, the speedometer was rebuilt.
And how is this car to drive, Dave?
It's a wonderful car to drive. It's a nice heavy automobile, so it rides very well. It's the top of the line engine, so it's got plenty of power, and it goes down the road very nicely. There you go.
So have you won any awards for the car, Dave?
I have won. I won at a concours in Kansas City, an award out at Geneva, but we don't show the car too much.
Well deserved. Very great. And maybe we can get a chance to look at the engine if you don't mind. Oh, thank you. Yes.
Yeah, no problem.
Beautiful.
Step back so I can get a picture of that. Just a regular old flathead straight 8. Very, very smooth, very quiet, plenty of power.
Nice.
Very clean and very beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Dave. Surely appreciate your time today.
All right, Jasmine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We'd like to show your car next, so please leave us a comment, subscribe, and like us.
Live from US Classic Muscle Cars.